Alright, we have some of the parts for my mom's new computer build. We have the GTX 1050 acrylic PC case. I have to put that together. And we have the Ryzen 5 1600 inside the box with 8 gigs of DDR4 memory. We went with the 500 M.2 SSD for the motherboard. I have to look at the motherboard because I can't remember what it was, but I'm going to start the unboxing now. Graphics card, overclocked edition, WindForce 2GB GDR5, GeForce GTX 1050. Yeah, it has the real nice cooling feature, blades, 3D active, HDMI. Okay. That we have to open it fast. It's heavy. We'll try to open this up with one hand. I'm in my basement here because it's supposed to be a secret. Okay, let me put this camera down. Alright. See what we got in this box here. Nope. Like I said, it's the Ryzen 5 1600. Six core. Okay. Western Blue PC solid state drive, 500GB, M.2. That's the 2280, or yeah, SATA M.2. Not bad. $149. 8 gigs of memory. My Flare X, compatible with Ryzen. DDR4. Okay. Okay, here's the motherboard. MSI motherboard. The Mortar B350M for micro. VR ready. Arsenal of gaming. This board lights has LED red lights in it. Lights up. 2 express slots. 4 DDR4 channel slots. X boost, all that good stuff. My buck knife, old school, and the Hyper T4 quiet 120mm fan, snap-on fan bracket. It's compatible with the AM4. They said right out of the box. But the fan itself I'm not going to use. I ordered a new Corsair fan. It's coming through the mail. And the power supply is a Zalman 400 LE, which is not bad. Got it for $30. Got all the stuff I need required to build this. So this is pretty good. This is a good starting point. And DVD burner, I'm just going to take one out of my extra computers and put it in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the build and be back shortly. Okay, here's the motherboard. The AM4. Chrome enforced PCI Express 3 slot. Nice heat sinks on the EM. It's a 8-pin, so you can do a little bit overclocking. MSI logo. USB 3 header. System fan headers. USB 2 headers. Nice capacitors on it. USB 3.1 and 3.0 and 2.0. Audio headers. And this also has APUs, those APU chips from AMD, which is going to be coming out hopefully soon. That way, if you don't feel like getting a Ryzen chip, you can use their chips to play without a graphics card. This is going to be universal with those. One motherboard for everything now, not separate like the FM2 Plus or anything like that. And AM3 or separate. It's going to be all on one motherboard, which makes a good idea. Let's see here. All right. Another looks like a USB 3.0. Your front panel jacks go here. SATA 6 gigabits per second. Alright, let's move on. Okay, I just opened the Ryzen AMD box chip. I like the badge and everything, it's pretty cool. Even comes with the heatsink on the Ryzen 5. There's the, I forgot what they call this heatsink. That comes in the box. See if I can find it. Heatsink fan included. Okay. Don't help me none. But that's okay. Limited warranty. I know this is not the Raft or anything like that, the Rave or Raft. But I won't be using that one. They said it's really good cooler, but I want something a little bit more better airflow, bigger size in case I want to do a little overclocking. Okay, go ahead and put that in the motherboard. Be back. Westar Digital M.2 SSD drive, 500 gigabytes, blue. It's pretty small, not bad. This little tiny guy. And that's right there, 2280. It should fit that, like they said. Alright, I will try. Put that in, put the heatsink on, and put the memory sticks in before I come back and show you. Here's the Western Digital and Western Digital 1.2. Install 500 gigs of awesomeness power. That's going to be the main drive. That's going to be the only drive in here for operating system and your storage. This is the Western Digital Blue M.2, 500 gigabytes of awesomeness. This is going to be the only drive that's going to be in here, and it's going to be your OS and your storage all in one. 500 gigs. Right to the motherboard. No need for cables. Focus, come on. Alright, let's go ahead and put the heatsink on. Well, memory sticks first probably, and then the heatsink. Alright, and I'm going to use my MX4 Arctic compound, which is, I think, a lot better. I like using it. I use it on everything. Alright. Looking sexy here with the Flare X G.Skill memory modules installed. Take a look at that closely. Just want to give you a look before I put the big honking fan on here. Ryzen. Alright. Let's go ahead and put the heatsink on now. Alrighty, the AMD bracket has to go this way, so the fan has to face the other way, which I guess would be okay. And I know a lot of people do it different ways, but I use the spread method, and this, when I put the heatsink down, it adds more pressure to it. So anyway, the X way or P dot, they're all fine, but I prefer doing this because I've been doing this for many years. This way, the spread method. All right, let's go ahead and put the heatsink on. No wonder they said AM4 will work out of the box because it's just a clip, so you can put it on there very easily. Okay. Okay, the heat sink's on. I'm the AMD Ryzen 5 1600. But barely had enough room. If you can see that, it's not touching the heatsink at all. But barely. Let's see if I can get a better close up here. There we go. See? Alright, that'll be fine. So I don't hurt anything. But I think I have to switch it around. Looks like the instructions is not very clear. I wish it was facing the other way, but that's okay. Won't hurt anything. Let's see here. Well, we'll try the other way real quick. See what happens. Alright. Alright, that was the right way. It doesn't matter from front or back. It's the same. It has enough clearance. All together now. All I have to do is put the case together, put this in. Enough clearance, good. Still got 2 more slots. I can put more RAM in. Alright. Let's go ahead and put the case together. gonna be fun. Yay. That's what that is. Okay, see you guys later. Bye. If you can guess it, is a acrylic clear PC case. Got this for $99 on eBay. It came from Kentucky, but from Shanghai Enterprises in the United States. It comes with the fans and LED strip lighting, I believe, and it's in here somewhere. Yeah, it's right under there. And you got three 120s. In the case, you have to put it yourself together. You got the hardware. It's going to be fun. I haven't done one of these since 8-9 years ago. In 2010 and again in 2013, and lately you couldn't find these anymore because they was disappeared off the market after the RGB lighting was not in fame anymore, and so it was hard to find. If you did find one, they wanted like $200-300 used case. But now since RGB lighting is coming back, prices had dropped. Everybody's making these again. I couldn't believe my eyes. I had to do this build for my mom because she said she really missed her old acrylic case, PC case built for her. It was pretty cool. It was all, like old tie-dye looking stuff, purple accents with a peace sign on the front of the case. I'm not for sure if I want to put a peace sign on this case or not, but okay, let's go get this build started to see how it turns out. Wish me luck. Alright, here's the case parts. Yeah, everything's here except for a manual. So I have to guess what part goes where, I'm guessing. Not for sure. I have to go look back online and see if they got any information. See, it says PCI standoffs. I got no idea. I don't see no numbers on these anywhere. Well, I have to look probably closer, but yeah. I want to see if there's any directions upstairs real quick before I bust this thing open. If not, I have to start guessing how they put it together. Yay me! But it looks pretty nice though. Okay, the case is now finished. It took about 6 hours. It's almost 6 in the morning. Finally got it done. These directions here suck because there's a lot of information they leave out you don't know, so you have to find that for yourself. I even contacted the seller, but there was no help. I finally figured it out on my own. Now put the innards in and wait for the other stuff to get here, arrive in a couple days to finish it up. Alrighty. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Before I put it in the case. Hopefully it fits pretty well in there. Okay, report back to you later. Okay, here's a computer case with the things in it, parts. The cooler with lighting. The RAM in the back corner there. Tight fit for everything. But hopefully it works. I'm gonna get the power supply in when it comes in. Try it out. Alright, y'all have a good one. See you guys later. Almost done. The power supply came in finally, yay! Now I can finish this up to see if this boots up. Got the new fan, RGB fan, going in the front to give you more airflow. Hopefully I can get it lit up without the controller, but let's see what happens. I probably won't do the rest of the recording until I get this thing booted up, started, and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty. Till then, I see you soon. The computer is complete with the lighting. You can see the heart of the computer. They said let there be light, there was. AMD Ryzen 5 1600, 8 gigs of memory, GTX 1050. I'm trying to do cable management best I can. But, you know, clear cases. First results of the CPU, 12.61 points on 6 cores, 12 threads. 8 gigs of memory, clocked at 2933. Case 16. $54.88. Alright, let's go do a little tweaking and see how much more we can get. Alright, get back. Bye. I'm recording this, by the way.
Did you poop everywhere? Did you poo-poo everywhere?
I unwrap the gift of fortune.
So, I've been getting enough sleep.
I guess.
No, you ain't. Clear case. Where's my decals? Gotta kill one.
Don't have them anymore, remember?
Oh, heck.
They don't even make them anymore.
Cool, Mike. Okay, let's go hook it up. No, on Facebook neither, because
That's on this is YouTube. What are you talking about? It's part of the computer build, yeah.
Oh, I'm C-Hag. No.
Too bad.
Cool. Are these colored fans too?
Yeah.
I don't have tubes though, right?
The light strip LED is bright as hell.
Good. I don't have to have type in the dark.
The more in the dark, you can see your whole room. Those lights.
Oh, okay. Thank you. No, up close. I look like a hag already. Stop.
Okay.
Thank you. Dang, man, those are some heavy duty fans, huh?
Yeah, the max temperature he gets is 82 Fahrenheit. It's cold for
maybe
it.
that ain't gonna fit on my thing. I got all kinds of room in there, huh?
Yeah.
What you do?
Might have to make me a wonder. Put my Gary ever gets me shelf put up.
Alrighty.
Thank you very much.
If you shut off the light, it'd be even brighter. Because you don't need the lights with this thing.
Cool. Turn this on. Wait a minute.
Hallway. See?
Yeah.
Bright. Don't stick your fingers in there. There's no guards to these fans.
Why?
See, even when there's one on top.
Shit. Maybe I could, well, maybe I'll have him put, how long is the cords on that?
I don't know.
Will it fit on top if I put it on the shelf? If I have a top shelf?
You probably have to buy longer cords.
Well, the shelf ain't gonna be sky high.
You got your glow-in-the-dark keyboard.
Yeah.
Even the motherboard's got LED lights on, but you don't see them. It's kind of stupid because they put on the back side the LED lights on the board. The bill is built in.
Yeah.
7 hours to build this case.
Cool.
You even got a DVD burner. I had to take that out. The HP machine.
That's cool. Wow, I could put a CD in. That's cool.
Oh look, you got driver's updates already. Okay, and this is the end of the clip. Say bye.
Bye. Thank you.